I know what they're looking for. They're looking for that possum right there where he's looking at. There's a dead possum. Yeah. Where'd they go? Okay, there they go. No. But they're sitting right here, maybe about 60 feet from that dead possum. He ain't playing possum, y'all. He ain't playing possum. These two police officers right here. Got him. Where he at? Where he at? Oh. Oh, there we go, right there. Where he at? Got him right there. That's what they're looking for. Two cops? Huh? No. That bitch is stuck in the ice. No, they looking for, they smelling. I know they seen it because they flew right above it. He over there cleaning his beak. Talking about it's lunchtime. Oh, it's lunchtime. Let me see how close I can get before they fly away. Get a little closer. Now I'm about maybe 30 feet from them. They want that right there. They want that popsicle right there. Uh-oh. Don't leave your popsicle. That's the popsicle right there. That's their lunch meat.